Why it is done in stages? Because change, if one wants to bring change, the best way to bring change is
situations and different times instead of prohibiting it once.
Yes, that is correct. That what you have mentioned, that the alcohol was prohibited in different stages. Firstly, it was not prohibited, so it was allowed. So Muslims were drinking, but through centuries they were in habit, like they were addicted to these things. And addiction obviously does not just go away in one day. Why it is done in stages? Because change, if one wants to bring change, the best way to bring change is gradually, and also to prepare the ground. So firstly, the iman of the Sahaba Ikram, Rizwan Rajmain, their relationship with Allah and the Prophet Islam and aakhirat was enhanced, and it became very, very, very strong at highest level. So now any command would come, they will follow. There is a narration from Sayyidina Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu anhu, or another Sahabi radiallahu anhu, who says that if the prohibition came in Makkah in the beginning time, we would have not been able to actually live up to it. So it is wisdom that of the Quran and Allah Jalla Majduhu, that firstly it was the iman, the groundwork, the foundation was prepared, the love of Allah Azza wa Jal, the love of aakhirat, the love of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It was actually created, and then when they had such a strong loyalty and relationship, then actually the hukum of prohibition came. So firstly it was mentioned only that yas'alunaka anil khamri wal maisir, they ask you about alcohol and also about gambling. Say, kul fihima ithmun kabirun wa manafi'u linnas. In this there is great sin and loss. There is loss, but there is benefits as well. Wa ithmuhuma akbaru min naf'ihima. But the loss and the harm and the sin is greater than the benefit. So actually this was mentioned.